Hey guys, this is HP Smart Tank 7605. This printer is multifunctional printer. You can print, copy, scan, and fax with this printer. What I want to do is to show you how to print documents from your laptop to this printer. First of all, you need to make sure your laptop and printer are connected to the same network via Wi-Fi network or Wi-Fi direct or with USB cable. We connected this printer and laptop via Wi-Fi network. To print your document, you need to go to your File Explorer, select My File Explorer. You need to go to wherever you save your document. The documents I want us to print is in document folder. Double click it to open. So this is the document I want us to print out. 3 pages document, but we want to print only page 1 to 2. So you go on top, you select File, or you select Ctrl P from the printer. You can select Ctrl P. It gives you option for you to print the document. It brings out the print settings. So once you select Ctrl P, then you scroll down from the list, select how many copies on top. Use up and down arrow to select the number of copies. Scroll down for the list and the printer is showing us ready. Print all pages. In this case, we want to print only page 1 to 2. So you type page. You want to print out 1 to 2. Custom 1 to 2. Print on one side. You want to print on both sides, long edge. And also orientation is portrait. And paper type is A4. Scroll down to select A4 paper. So you can print letter, legal, statement, executive, A5, B5, envelope, etc. So, but in this case, we want to print this as A4 paper. A4 paper is what we loaded here. You can also select printer properties. It gives you option for you to select the color, output, paper quality. So once you select all the features, then you select print. This is the document we printed out, double-sided, colored. So another way to print your document is for you to go to HP Smart App and select Print Documents, Supported Files, select OK. Then you go to wherever you save the document you want to print out. Document I want to print out is the document section. Select Documents. You need to double click the document to open. This is the document. It's 2 pages document. So to print this document out, you scroll down. Orientation is portrait. Paper size A4. Plain paper. Output quality normal. You can select high standard. And also you want to select this document. Print on one side. You select more option. Change the color. Want to print this document black and white or grayscale. Then select OK. Then you select print. Now this document is printing. And you can see black and white, single side. Here we go. So these are ways to print your document from computer to this printer. Thank you very much indeed and stay blessed. Thank you.